This is our group members. We have 5 group members. The director is Firdaus bin Abdul Fattah. Manager partner is Naatira binti Muhammad Haris. While the director of care service is Nafisa binti Samsuddin. And the client relation manager is Abdul Rahman bin Abdul Majid. And then the lastly is training and development coordinator is Muhammad Shafi Izzadi bin Chuman. Here, I will explain about company background. So, this is our local project, Carrion Babysitter or Childcare. Carrion Babysitting Service is a premier childcare provider that offers unparalleled support and care for families needing reliable and inclusive babysitting service. So, location will be in strategic area which is near at city center, residential houses, hospital, shopping mall, and police or fire station. Objective of our project is to establish a trustworthy, caring, and secure alternative for parents in our seeking childcare, and then to make sure that kids are always protected by offering a dependable babysitting service. So, vision of our project is being the gold standard in childcare, which is we intend to achieve by providing the babysitting service in the industry. We aim to build a community where parents can completely trust the care their children get, which will greatly benefit them in both their personal and professional life. And then, while mission of our project is ensuring the security and happiness of children. This is our first priority, which is why we strive to deliver trustworthy and caring babysitting service. Our goal is to provide a safe and stimulating setting where parents can feel comfortable leaving their children with us.
Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Firdaus bin Abdul Fattah. My number matric is DD210008. I will be explaining about the benefits of our service. Our benefits divided into two parts, which are to the consumers and to the company itself. For the benefits to consumers, which are the parents or guardians, the first one is convenience. Parents can enjoy a convenient and flexible childcare option when they need to attend work commitments, social events, or simply take a break. Emergency situation or last-minute plans can be accommodated with the availability of babysitting service. The second one is professional care. Babysitting service often provide trained and experienced caregivers who can ensure the safety and well-being of children. Parents can have peace of mind knowing that their children are in the care of professionals who understand child development and safety protocols. The third one is quality time. Parents can have dedicated time for themselves, allowing them to focus on work, personal activities, or spend quality time together without the constant demands of children. The last one is stress reduction. Parents may experience reduced stress and worry knowing that reliable and trustworthy caregivers are looking after their children. Then for the second part is which are the benefits to babysitting service company itself. The first one is revenue generation. Babysitting service create a revenue stream for the company, generating income through hourly rates, subscription package, or other payment models. The second one is brand loyalty. Providing reliable and high quality service can lead to satisfied customers who become repeated clients, fostering brand loyalty. The third one is training opportunities. The company can invest in training programs for caregivers, ensuring a skilled and competent workforce. This can enhance the company's reputation and attract more customers. The last one is marketing opportunities. Positive customer experience can lead to word of mouth referrals and positive online reviews, serving as effective marketing tools to the company.
Hello and Assalamualaikum. My name is Abdul Rahman bin Abdul Majid. My matric number CD 210200. For the operational cost is the cost of money required to run our business. These are the ongoing business costs which are required to maintain operation and hire the personnel required to meet demand from customer and make sales. Maintenance cost is any expenses incurred by an individual or a firm to maintain the excellent functioning order of its assets. For the ownership cost, the asset or item purchase price plus operating expenses make up the total ownership cost. Evaluating the price it entails inspecting the good more closely and determining its worth over time. The machinery cost is cost that spent on goods or structure that are sometimes thrown off as a fixed cost or fixed expenses is the entire machinery cost. The expenses of running any machinery or structure that an organization used to carry out its operation.
Estimation of the total cost. As you can see, fixed cost is ownership plus machinery. This is because the cost of a company expense that does not change regardless of the number of goods and the service produced. So, for the variable cost, a business expense that may differ according of how much a company generate. So, for our variable cost is transportation cost plus how many kits are registered. Okay, so for our total cost, as you can see, our formula is fixed cost plus variable cost multiplied quantity. So for our total cost, we got 67,345 ringgit. So total cost is sum of all expenses spent by a company in order to produce a specific level of output. So you can see our price is 841 ringgit 81 cent. So our formula for sale price is total cost over quantity of estimated transportation and kits are registered in a month. So we assume our quantity is 80. Okay, for our break-even analysis, we have to use formula total return minus total cost. So our total return, we have to use formula price multiply quantity. So our break-even point formula will be PQ equal to fixed cost plus variable cost multiply quantity. So our average price after markup is 1,285 ringgit. So we use break-even point formula and then we get quantity is 52.41 service.
Okay, Assalamualaikum and good afternoon. My name is Muhammad Syafiq Izzadin bin Jumat and my metric number is CD210311. So today I'm gonna explain about profit analysis. So here, with the estimate 18 estimate transportation and kit are registered per month, we can calculate the profit margin that we might gain every month. So we estimate that at least we must do 80 transportation and kits per month to get gain a margin every month. So we, as you see here, average price for daily transportation and kit are registered is the price is 588 ringgit 40 cents. So an average markup price for daily transportation and kits are registered is 609 ringgit and 20 cents. So here I'm gonna show you the average market price is minus by average price and divide by average market price and then it's time with 100%. So because we want the percentage of the margins, profit margin. So and then 1,285 ringgit with minus the 841 ringgit 81 cents and divided for the total from the up that we calculate we divide by 1,285 ringgits and when we time with 100%. So after the calculation, we get the profit margin is about 34.49%. And then, based on the calculation that has been done above, it is possible for us to reach a profit margin of 34.49% if we maintain our service per monthly of the total of 80 daily transportation and kits are registered. So for our business maintain, we must at least have 80 daily transportation and kids are registered or above for the better income.
Hi, my name is Natira binti Muhammad Aris. Today I want to talk about objective for the financial planning. So for our objective is identifying the necessary resources. So to make more money, business should work on the both bringing in more money and keeping costs down. So to keep the overall cost of capital as low as possible, it is important to pick the right mix of debt and equity for your financial structure. So this business strategy help business get better and make more money. Second objective is the purpose of conducting financial feasibility study and assuring constant improvement to achieve. So, business can look technical, economic and financial factor to see if a project fit their plan. So, we can use engineering principle can also help them plan their money better. Thus, projects are in line with the company long-term growth need.
For the next slide is the application of business fund. So this is what we show and the cost that we have and the value for the each cost. So the first is the fixed cost that has value of 28,795 ringgits. And then for the variable cost is 38,550 ringgits. And then for the cost is amount of service need to be within a month at least we must do for active service. And then for our total cost is 67,345 ringgit. And then for the loan, we have seen many banks, and then we compare which bank has given the lower interest. So from our research, we choose the Alliance banks because the Alliance bank offer the lowest interest rate when compared to the other banks. So we decide up to apply loan for a 68,000 ringgit with the annual interest of 5% per year. So this is our cash flow diagram where we got for 5 years and then interest rate per year is 5%. So this is our cash flow diagram. And then for the formula is, as you see here, I is for the interest rate per year, and N is number of years, P initial loan from the bank, and F the total debt need to pay to the bank. F is our payment to the bank after we calculate the interest for the 5 years. And as we see here, F is equal to P. We will multiply with 1 plus I and the power of n. So P, we get the 63,000 and plus 1 and we multiply with 1 plus 0.05 and the power of n is 5. So we got the F is 80,406 ringgit. So 80,406 ringgit is the amount that we must have paid to the Alliance Bank for our loans that we borrow that we get for 5 years from now.
For the termination of month installment, we choose the A over P technique for our company because it allows us to calculate the present value of money cost relative to annuity value cost while taking the sinking fund component into account. So, according to the preceding computation, the total amount of P is equal to 80,406. The whole sum is a bank loan with a 5% interest rate and 5-year repayment period. So, this is the total annuity value cost.
From the table, we calculate value present words which is PW. So the amount present value is RM254 678.14 which is greater than 0. As a result, the investment is recognized and efficient. So this is cash flows diagram for the present words.
Lastly, we will end our group presentation with conclusion. In conclusion, Using engineering economy in planning a babysitting service is crucial. It helps entrepreneurs make smart decisions about investment, pricing, efficiency, technology expansion, risk, and ongoing improvements. By considering factors like time value of money and return on investment, business owners can optimize costs and ensure long-term success, meeting the needs of both customers and the company. This approach forms a solid foundation for data-driven decision-making, supporting the business growth and sustainability in the childcare industry.